What is up, guys? It is Josh here again with another how to make money online video. Now, this isn't me showing you how much money I made because obviously, as you can see, earnings zero, but that's because I haven't tried yet. This is just an income I'm about to start, and I wanted to go over with you one of my plans for people who don't want to go hardcore like I'm planning on going with my own website, my own YouTube, my own you name it, but who just want to be able to do something quick, easy, without paying very much money. So, let's jump right into it. One of the big sources of online income is affiliate marketing. Now, the great thing about affiliate marketing is that you don't have to have a product. You don't have to create a course. You don't have to create a physical item. All you have to do is convince someone else or send someone else to a page to buy someone else's item, and then you get a commission off of it. It's like being a salesman, but you don't actually have to interact with customers. So, one of the big affiliate marketing websites is called ClickBank. A great site. Easy to run, easy to watch, easy to find things to sell. So the first thing you want to do is go to clickbank.com and create an account. It'll be simple. All you need is your email, a little bit of information, and then you set it all up, and you'll get your dashboard like so. This isn't going to be important until you start earning money. All these are for if you're a seller. You're going to want to go down to this one, which is your marketplace. Click on your marketplace, and you'll go to here. This is where all the products are that you can sell to make a commission. So something you'll want to do is, here's your categories. First thing you want to do is find probably about 3 of these that you feel passionate about. So like, for example, if you're into video games, you can click on games and go there. If you're into politics, current events, go there. Or if you're into software and services, go there. This way, you can better understand what you're trying to sell. For me, I'm into trying to make money online. So I'm going to go to e-business and e-marketing. As you can see, there's a lot of subcategories. I got all this, whatever all this is. So choose one you like. Affiliate marketing. I like my affiliate marketing. I'm talking about it. And here you go. Here's your list of things to promote. First thing you want to do, go to sort results by rank. Don't do that. Search results by gravity. What gravity is how popular a product is and how often it sells. So like right here, you got a gravity of 138.69. What I recommend and what other people will recommend is that you're going to want a gravity between 1 to 80. Some people say 1 to 60, some say 1 to 100. But I say 1 to 80. Do with it as you please. But if you get a high gravity, you're competing with full-time affiliate marketers. The ones who have websites, the ones who use Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, all that good stuff. Eventually, if you get into this, you can go and sell this. But as of right now, you're not going to be able to compete with the other people who are selling this product. So you're going to want to go to something that isn't quite as popular. That way you have a better chance of getting the sale. The other thing you're going to want to do is not focus on the average conversion. 0 of 0 is still 0. So it doesn't matter if it shows an average conversion of 842 if you never get a conversion. Okay? It would be great to sell one item and get $842. But if you just read right here, you get a 50% commission on 997. So this is just an average commission. So you usually get 500 right off the bat. But who's going to pay 997 up front? That is a lot of money just to learn something. Right? So the chances of getting a sale with this course are very low. Not only that, but you have a $247 a month fee. I mean, well, not fee, but on top of that pay. Who wants to spend $1,000, not get the full program, and have to spend another $247 a month? Is this something you can set something up, a page for? Yeah. Is it probably your best bet if you just want to do a few? No. So think about that. Don't just go for the biggest conversion. Think about the gravity and what's the likelihood of someone going for it. Alright. So now just scroll down until you find one that you like with lower gravity, not a crazy conversion, and something that sounds like what you would go for. Let's see here. Let's just jump over to page 2. Commission code, elite traffic, private partner program, viral video. Alright, I like the looks of a viral video monetizer. People have always been asking how to make money off of a video monetizer. So here we are. This is what you call a sales page. This is what when someone clicks on your link, they'll be brought to. So you have to rely on this other person's work to give you a sale. All you have to do is get them to get here. So you should always read through this and understand what you're selling and see if it's something that would tempt someone. So this guy does catch attention right away. He's got big words that are going to make you read to him right away. He's got lots of options with YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and WhatsApp. He catches you with you don't have to create your own videos. Lots of people are like, oh, I don't want to show my face. So that'll catch you. He shows you a program, and he shows you the perks. And you keep scrolling through, and he's going to go all the way through it. Nice, not bad, colorful, keeping the same theme. So another thing is you want it to look the same the whole way through. I mean, this is okay, but you see how he switched between big blue, black, blue, black, blue, black, blue, black, 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 blue, blue. But you don't want to have like big yellow words, big blue words, big red words, big orange words, big purple words. Like little things like this are okay. But for the most part, he's stuck to blue and black. That way you feel like you're on a professionally built page. And then once you'd get here, you'd hope that they'd buy on it, and then you'd hope they buy other offers on top of it while they're going through the purchasing. So this looks like a decent one we could sell. So let's just do an example with this one. So go back to your marketplace. Find where you had it right here, viral video monetizer. Gravity of 4.51. Click promote. Okay, you're going to need an account nickname. Then you're going to click generate hop links. So this is your link. They'll bring someone to your sales page, well, that sales page, which will get you money. If you don't have this link, you won't get money. Okay, so copy that. Now the next step will be going to Pinterest. Lots of people have a Pinterest account. Okay, it's not that hard to make one. Mine is a couple of things if you want to follow it and click on any of my affiliate links and make me some money if you don't mind. But I'm joking, don't do that. Or do, I don't care. All right, so I've already typed out some stuff here just to save some time. But Pinterest is the same as any other social media. It's the same as YouTube, same as Facebook, same as Google search. You need to have it search engine optimized. That's going to be something you're going to hear me saying all the time in all the videos I make. If people can't type something random into a search bar and have your thing pop up, you're not going to get anything. So, what I did and how you make something search engine optimized is you got to match the title with your description with your thumbnail. Okay, and that applies to other things such as YouTube, Facebook, and other online websites as well. So for this, I typed in learn how to make money by video. Normally, if I was trying to actually sell this and I wasn't going to delete this right after I'm done with this video, I would probably make the title a little better. This is just an example. Okay, so I said learn how to make money by video. Down in my description, you don't want to just say learn how to make money by video. It looks like you're a bot and you just typed it out. No one's going to click on that. You got to draw in attention with your title and your description. So then for my description, I worked a little harder on it just for your guys' sake. And I said, have you ever wanted to make money off of videos you've made? You can learn how with this training. Let's make some money with our videos. Okay. So notice how I use money twice. All right. Right there. Right there. Okay, that's for this word. I use videos twice. Right there and right there for this word. And then I also use learn once. I use make once. Okay, those are your 4 big words in that description. 2, most search results, someone's going to type in to, how, or buy. Those aren't big words. Okay, what I'm aiming for, the people who type in this search result, I want to get the people who typed in how to make money with videos, or maybe learn how to make money by videos, or learn how to make money online, or learn how to videos to make money. You know, it could be anything. Okay, I want to catch those people. All right, that's the key. So you have to have these matching so that mine is more likely to pop up than someone who typed in learn how to make videos online then said let's make some money. That's not going to pop up as easily as mine is unless they have a massive following. Okay, so you're also going to need a good thumbnail, which this isn't free, but if you go over to Placeit.net, you can pay $15 a month to have access to a lot of different images that you can use as a thumbnail. But I'm going to go through this as far as I can for your example. I'm not going to pay for it because my wife draws all my thumbnails, so I'm not going to pay for this. She does an excellent job, by the way. You can find her on Fiverr eventually. She'll draw one for you too. Okay, so you want to find something that's going to catch their attention. It doesn't have to be exactly what they're looking for, though. All right, you're mostly going to rely on your text with an interesting image. So if you scroll over here, you can go through all the different categories. That's what I'm trying to say. And find one that you think would look good with what you're trying to sell. So we could probably maybe click on finance. Maybe finance will go good. All right, so apparently this is finance. Interesting. Finance isn't as financy as I thought. Maybe it just didn't. YouTube templates. I want to go to finance. I'm going to start pouting, guys. Finance. No, thumbnails. Thumbnails is usually where you get your good stuff. All right, here we go. So this is good. Like, you got how gamers make money. You could change just the words of that and change the picture. Got something simple like this. You can change the words. The picture's not that important, but it'll catch someone's attention. You know, just for simplicity, let's go with this one. So you click on it, and it brings you to the editing page. All right. Once you are here, you can change all the words. So like right here, I don't need stand-up YouTube thumbnail. I'm going to type in make money with videos. Awesome. That's matching my description. For the second one, learn. Oh, no. Actually, let's do anyone can learn how. Cool. Hashtag. Let's do money. Oops. Someone needs to teach me how to spell. Okay, so there we go. Simple, to the point, nothing crazy. You can also change your fonts. Well, these aren't fonts. Your whatever these are, to make it look different, make it look more catchy, all that good stuff. Okay. You can also change your image. So I can change that guy's look with a little kissy emoji or a unicorn. I think the unicorn is probably the best. You can also change the background image. So I could do something like that. You can just scroll through these options for like forever. But you know, you can stick a fat little crying dude right there. See, that's going to catch attention. Not like I'd recommend that, but you can. You can change your corner color, your unicorn color. Like, there's unlimited options you can do here. That way you can make that more catchy. Once you're done, you just click download. It's going to make me pay. I'm not going to pay, but if you're interested in doing this, $15 a month isn't a bad deal. Okay? So once you've downloaded your doohickey, your thumbnail, you just come over here, place your image. I'm just going to grab my shirt picture that I showed you guys in the last video, and then boom. That is all you need, and you click publish. I was talking you guys through that, and it took me about 10 minutes. Okay? So you could whip out 3 of these a night. Spam Pinterest, which I don't recommend spam, but have a lot of them on Pinterest. Make sure it's actually good content. Make sure you aren't lying about what it does. All right? I didn't say this is going to make them money. I said they can learn how to make money. It's important not to lie, otherwise you will get banned from ClickBank. Okay? So learn is different than you are. Don't say, oh, you will make money with this program, because you don't know it. They might go through the program, get bored, never actually try. They didn't make money. They can file a complaint against you. ClickBank is going to ban you. Okay? So don't do that. But if you can get a few of these out every night and have 40 of them going a month, there's a good chance you're going to have at least a few people get to those sale funnels. And then boom, you're talking maybe 40, 50, maybe even $100 a month. And if you want, you can always try harder, which isn't going to be through Pinterest. There are ways to try harder, and I plan on going over that in the future. This was just a way where you can start having the possibility of making passive income with almost zero work and $15 a month. Okay? Anyone can do it. Anyone. I'm no artist. I'm no genius. I learned all my stuff from typing on the web. I have no degree. We've talked about that before. I'm not a financial expert. I'm actually broke. Well, not really, but sort of. I'm close. So you can do this just like I can do this. So if you're interested, give it a go. Again, ClickBank, Pinterest, and Placeit. Placeit's $15 a month. But besides that, you can start making $100 a month. That's your gas money for the month. That's something you don't have to worry about. So if you want any more advice and you want to follow our journey as we become financially independent and in the future, as me and my wife launch our company, then go ahead and leave a like, subscribe, comment, you name it. It's going to get exciting. So keep following, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.